Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Let's begin our speaking test. Please tell me, what's your name?
My name is Trini.
Rainy, nice to meet you. How old are you? I am
I'm 6 years old.
6 years old, that's right. And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
That's great. What's your favorite color?
It's pink.
What's your favorite food?
It's apple.
It's apple, very nice. What's your favorite animal?
It's rabbit.
Rabbit, that's great. What's your favorite toy?
It's yo-yo.
Yo-yo, very good. And what's your favorite? Oh, and how many people are there in your family?
It's
6 people.
6 people.
Okay, good. Who are they?
They are dad, mom, grandma, grandpa, baby, and me.
Very good, I'm fine, Rain. Let's go. Please tell me, what letter is this?
It's a B.
Letter sound.
B.
What letter is this one?
It's a J.
Letter sound. Good job. Letter.
It's a F.
Letter sound. And letter.
A.
Letter sound.
A.
Good job. Okay, what color is this one?
It's orange. This is red.
And
This is pink.
the last one?
This is green.
Green, very nice. Okay, one more. What number is this?
Number 8.
What's this one?
Number 1. Number 4.
And
Number 7.
okay, good job. Next, what is this?
This is a book.
Is it a usual book? No. Okay, book. What about this one?
This is a rubber.
Rubber. What about this?
Window.
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 Good job. What's this?
Door.
It's a door and
Folder.
folder. Very good. Of 5. Perfect, Rainy. Let's look here. Do you like train?
Yes, I do.
Good. Do you like ball?
No, I don't.
I see. Is this your car?
Yes, it is.
Is this your puzzle?
No, it isn't.
Isn't.
No, it isn't.
Okay, nice. What are these?
That is our
Legs.
my
Line legs. Very good. What are these?
Yes, my hand.
These arms.
Shoulders.
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 Excellent. Very nice. What's this?
It is my nose.
Nose. Very good. Okay. How many arms do you have? How many?
There are 2 arms.
I got.
I want 2 arms.
Very good. Okay, now Rainy, please, let's read.
My favorite was my favorite toy. My favorite one of
Oh.
is my scooter. Is my door. No is my orange ball.
Orange ball. Very good. This is it for our test. Really have fun. Goodbye.